Perfect. All right. This is Dr. Timothy Stewart, and today we are performing a partial toenail excision with matrixectomy on a patient who had a serious paronychia, treated with incision and drainage, partial toenail removal, and antibiotic therapy. This is 2 weeks status post incision and drainage. Anesthesia has already been attained, and we'll test for anesthetic now. Patient, is there any pain response? None at all? Thank you. And we'll do a quick skin prep.
Yeah, I can't get that.
With betadine. This is, in my opinion, strictly cosmetic in nature. There's very little need for topical skin disinfectant because the phenol is more than satisfactory to kill any pathogens that will be in the wound at the time of the procedure. So we do this just because we've been trained to do it. First, a digital tourniquet is applied to the toe. Notice the technique on application. There was some exsanguination of the digit. The medial nail border is, whatever nail border involved is first separated at the proximal nail fold and from the nail bed. There's usually a small amount of bleeding at this point in the procedure. An English nail anvil is then used to separate the appropriate portion of nail, and it should be encouraged to take slightly more than you might think necessary to eliminate any possibility of reoccurrence. And then a number 61 nail blade it's a chisel blade, a 61, is used to separate the most proximal portion of the nail border from the main nail plate. That portion of the nail which has been split and separated is then carefully removed. And in this case, there was a very thorough partial toenail removal. You can see that this procedure removed, the partial removal did not take a very wide piece of this nail. However, there was a significant enough portion of the nail left, and it was removed. Now any hyperkeratotic tissue should be removed at this time as well. If there is any granulation tissue, it should also be removed at this portion, prior to phenol application. And once again, prior to applying phenol, the wound should be probed for any remaining nail spicule. And eureka! There was another fragment of nail in that wound. I thought I felt it. And this is critical to remove these pieces because this is how regrowth of the nail border occurs when insufficient nail margin has been removed. This is a little earlier than I would like to do this procedure on most patients, but the patient is leaving the country. And the opportunity to do this he has a very narrow window, and so we're doing it now rather than waiting until the paronychia returns, and that might be a unintended consequence that we're trying to avoid here. So the wound's prepped. Phenol is then applied using cotton-tipped applicators. And application. By trial and error has been determined that 30 seconds for 3 separate applications is a clinically adequate method to cauterize and cause sufficient chemical destruction of the nail matrix cells.
Why don't you just burn it?
Other methods can be used, such as laser. However, it's rather difficult to control the amount of tissue destruction with the laser. This is simple, cost-effective, and very clinically effective. All right, one more application. Some people like to apply petroleum jelly around the nail margin. I prefer to be careful with the amount of saturation of the cotton-tipped applicator and simply wipe any excess up rapidly. The superficial skin destruction is minimal. It'll manifest as peeling of skin around the digit, which will be painless, and it will not leave any type of permanent scar. So there's the third application complete. Traditionally, the wound is cleansed. Cleanse with saline solution. It's unavailable, sorry. I should have been ready. And a simple dressing is applied with your choice of petroleum-based ointment, Silvadene cream, or other antibiotic ointment. In this case, we're going to use triple antibiotic ointment. gauze, and paper tape. Please don't forget to remove the digital tourniquet. Consequence of not doing so is devastating to the patient and to your career. There you have it. Phenol and alcohol chemical matrixectomy with partial toenail removal.